Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing and hands-on with the Flybot Active True Wireless Earbuds. So we also done an unboxing and hands-on with the Flybot Beat, which is again a true wireless earphones, but Flybot Active is a bit more feature rich, and this is priced $399. In fact, it is slightly costlier than the Flybot Beat, but it also has additional features. So in this video we'll talk about what are the features it offers. So this is the box package. You can see the Flybot Active mentioned here, true wireless earbuds, and this is Bluetooth 5.0 support, and it also comes with IPX7 certification. That's something which is not available on the Flybot Beat, and here we have IPX7 waterproof option. Then here we can see all the features mentioned. Playback time is 6 hours, IPX7 waterproof, case battery which is having 620 mAh capacity, and effective transmission distance is around 10 meters, and Bluetooth version 5.0. So that's the earphones, and it has HD voice and voice support, and the design is also pretty good, and this is just 100 grams in weight, and call time is 4 hours, charging time is again 2 hours, and on an average you can get around 4.5 to 5 hours of playing time on this headset. So now let's just first unbox this. So first we'll open the box and see how the quality of the material and all those things is. Then we'll come back to the features and the specifications. So opening up this box, so you can see there is a Flybot manual. So this is the manual included with the device. You can see here earplugs are available in small, medium and large, and this is a small guide included. Then you get the Flybot a true wireless earphone. This is the case. It has a 640 mAh battery. You can charge the battery from here. It's a standard charging included. Now let's open this. So this is the Flybot active true wireless earphone. So you can see here, this is the power button. You can just power it and see the battery charging available right now. So that's the charge. You can see that now 75% charge is available, and this is the two earphones. So as soon as you take the earphones, you can see that it will turn them on. So you can see now it's turned on. You can see the blue light here. So when you keep it back into the slot, you can see that it starts charging. So there you go, you can see that the red light indicates that it is now charging. So that's how the earphones work. So it's a pretty good build quality actually. The finishing also looks really nice. Now let's just take this out. You can see these are the two earphones. So each has 40 mAh capacity battery as well. So we'll just take one. So that's the Flybot earphones. You can see that this is a button. So Flybot mentioned here it's a button, and this can be used to pause the song, or you can actually take calls. You can skip to next track, and there is also support for voice assistant like Google Assistant and Siri. That's also included, and the ear tips are also pretty good. You can see the charging mechanism. This is where the charging happens, and this charging happens on inside the box. So when you keep it inside the box, it automatically starts charging, and that's how it works. And you can just press and hold to charge, pair the device to the smartphone, and then you can use it. So overall the material quality and the design looks quite good. It's a pretty solid construction, and feels really premium as well for the 3K or rather 4K price segment it is being offered. So the good thing about these earphones is that they are IPX7 water resistant, and so you can use it while swimming. It can be used up to 30 minutes and 1 meter depth that can be used, and you get 6 hours of playback time, which is quite good. So that's the Flybot Active, and when we tested this, it is quite similar to the Flybot Beat in terms of performance. The clarity of the sound was pretty good, at least for the price segment it is being offered, and the bass performance is again pretty impressive, and overall sound quality was quite good. And even when you're listening for longer hours, you don't actually feel the pain in your ears, but once you get used to that, it's like more or less like the normal usage, so you don't get a pain in your ears when using this for longer time. Now the battery life is quite good. You can get around 5.5 to 5 hours is more or less acceptable for this, and that's what the company also claims. Almost 6 hours is what company claims, and if you're making more calls, it could be around 3 hours. So if it is more on calls, it could be 3 hours, but it's still a good option, because you get you don't have to carry the charging cable. In 2 hours you can charge the entire box, and you can carry this box which has this 640 mAh battery, and each of these is 40 mAh, so you get a pretty good capacity in the box. So that's the Flybot Active Bluetooth earphone. So it actually looks good. It comes in two colors, the black variant and also the red variant. So we have the black and red variant, and there's also white variant. So this is one color, black and red, and we also get in white color. That's again pretty good. So that's the Flybot Active Bluetooth headphones, which is true wireless headphones. Now another good thing about these headphones is that you get a stereo calling for your phone calls, so you can accept phone calls in pretty good clarity. You get, that's one good option. Then one tap voice command, it is supporting Google Assistant, and Siri also is supported, so that's another useful option. And this is compatible with almost all devices, Bluetooth devices, and this is pretty good earphone. So these are priced 3,999 and available in India right now. So Flybot Active is the new true wireless headphones announced by Flybot in India, along with the Flybot Beat, which was announced previously. So that is the unboxing and hands-on with the Flybot Beat. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.